Hi, I'm Sharon from Sharon Shed Science Designs, and I am coming to you live on Essential Stencil page. Get my microphone clipped on. I'm just a minute early because I want to get us brought up on my Chromebook and make sure that we are lined up and that I can see comments. Hello everyone. So anyway, I've got this stained. I'm going to put a little clear fusion mineral wax around the edges. We're going to do it. But they may not have them anymore. I'm going to use some FolkArt Vintage White, which you guys know I use strokes and all, that you would with a regular brush, and they're bigger, so they're faster. It's because I had surgery on my leg, and trust me, hers is way worse. Way worse. And brushes, me too, especially these. And the only foam brushes I have found. Just a little bit of a second coat, and I'll talk to you guys while I'm doing that. But we're going to have a real fast weekend coat. I did the other day for a couple of these stencils, and I'm going to do that tonight. I tried it yesterday, and it's pretty cute after I get this done. Okay, that is definitely good enough. But I love them. You get some really nice looking pieces. My sander. I sand back my edges. I used to, when the kids were little, and even though I worked, I would clean every week without fail. I'm going to use the Fall is for Football and the football turkey, because you know I like to mix things up. Setting on my table, I could get to my tape. And I use a light circular motion to start, and as I use the paint out of my brush, I apply more pressure. I'm so glad I did. These are rather large letters, so I'm probably going to want to fill in my bridges. I'm not going to make you sit through all that. If you're doing large lettering when you stencil, you can have a little, just a tip. Show you how I do mine. There's the Fall is Football. Fall is for Football. I wanted to use this turkey, but I wanted some words with it. I'm having a lot of senior moments tonight where I can't remember what I'm talking about. Now my turkey. I'm going to kind of hold I still think I'll use a domed brush. I'll put that away and just use a domed brush so that I don't. Well, that's kind of burgundy, and I think it's cute. I did it last night anyway to try it out, because and I thought that was kind of a cute idea, because you could do the placemats with these. When I don't have anything else, I'm gonna color, I think. Of course, my youngest. Okay, I'm more satisfied with. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to do his wattle. And I don't want it red. I'll dry that because red does not cover very well. Take the if I quit here. So here we go. Fall is for football. And there's our turkey. So every month or every time we get a new package, it seems like we have. It's a great one. And I think I just looked up placemats on. Let's see, have I got all my footballs? Nope. Now I think I have all of my footballs. But I just think these would be really cute if you were having a Super Bowl party. Now would I want to do these for everybody at the party if you were having a huge party? No, probably not. Almost got this, and the football helmets will go fast. Okay, I think the helmets will go faster. Of course, I think orange is Cleveland Browns. Of course, our local high school is orange and blue. The Wolves are. Our church used to do a dinner. Almost done, you guys. Oops, I forgot. There we go. But isn't that cute? Thank you so much. Thanks for hanging with me on a Friday night. And I will see y'all later. Bye-bye.